everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We are going to be talking about BAGSMART today. I cannot wait. If you're new, I'm Laura. This little guy is Dexter, and he likes to cause trouble. Loki's the white pupper, and Willie is the Jack Russell. Here he comes. Be sure if you stick around for the long haul, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so you know, I travel quite a bit. If you follow me on my outfit of the days every Sunday, you get a peek into all of that. So for work, I travel quite frequently. I need a great bag or bags, right? So I always have my roller bag, plus I always have the carry-on, good for car travel or for air travel. Your carry-on fits right underneath the seat, right of the plane. And I am so fortunate that BAGSMART reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to do a review of their suitcases, and they are awesome. Awesome. So I've already been playing around with these bags, checking out all the features. It's going to be awesome. I have this amazing backpack carry-on that it is a backpack. It does have the little hook in the back here that you can put right over top of your roller bag, right? Connect that right up. Slip that on. I'll show you how that works. It has an awesome compartment for your laptop, all of your work things. Check this out. It's so good. So, laptop fits right in here. If you have an iPad, your notebooks, whatever you take, extra little things that you need to put right in here. So if you have your phone chargers, if you have like all the charging things, right? So phone, laptop, computer, all the charging things fits right in there. I love that. And then the opening here at the top, there's so much room in this thing. Check this out. All of the room. It does have the little clasp that closes it up. It has room for shoes that you can plug in right here. And I will show you how I'm going to use all of this for my next trip. Plug your shoes right in here at the bottom part, and then all the clothes here at the top. You could use this for an easy overnight bag as well, and this would be all that you need it. It has all the space for all the things. Little zipper compartment up here. Large, easy to use, clear, so you don't forget what you put in there. Throw a little drink or whatever you need here on the side. They thought of everything. At the very top, up here as well. Check out this little, so if you're carrying this, you need to grab your passport. You need to grab, this is where you want to put your chargers so they're easy to get to. You have plenty of room here as well. Those extra battery packs. If you need any medications you want to take, all the things you need to have quick access to, perfect place for it. It does have a handle at the top. Like I said, it does have the backpack back as well. And it even has the little handle at the top if you just want to carry it from the top. I love that this thing thought of all the things, right? You got your shoes, you got your top compartment for all those urgent things that you need to have easy access to. Lots and lots of storage in here. It has the all the interior pockets too for you to keep you organized. And then again, it pops right over top of your roller bag. Let's talk about the roller bag. I am in love with this roller bag. So my requirements are it has to be roomy. It has to roll so very smoothly. It has to be able to get in and out of quite easily. This fits the bill. So it's lightweight. So I'm just picking it up. It's empty at this point, right? Here's what it looks like. It does have the lock closure. So you can put in your own code to get this to lock and open for you. An easy slider. If you want to open it, all you do is push this down and that comes loose. So easy to do. Has that side handle, the 4 rollers, which I can tell you have worked so well. I'll put a little video up here of me pulling it through a hotel parking lot. It works so well. And you can spin it all the way around. It works on carpet, it works on cement, it works on marble, of course. Of course, it has your handle, so it retracts, nice and easy. And let's look inside. So here's the inside of this bag, which is perfection, okay? So you have wet and dry compartments here. So in case you have anything damp, you can throw it right in here. Anything dry obviously goes in here. They sent a cute little tag here that says here for there, now or never, here or there, now or never. This would be great for you to put onto your bag so that you can recognize yours when it comes, you know, comes off the belt. So this is super cute. And it has a little snap here for you to put it on the handle so you could find it. I like that. All right, but wet or dry, as well as all of this room here. So much room for all the things, and we're going to be packing that in a little bit. I've got a lot to pack today. And then check this out. It has the little compression board. So that's what this is. It's a little compression board for you to be able to push down on all the things and make sure that you've got them nice and tight. And then it has this extra zipper mesh compartment right here as well. You can take this board out if you don't want it. So it does have a little snap here that you can unsnap it and take it right out if it's in your way and you don't need it. And then once you've got it all packed, which we're going to see how much space I need for this trip, but if I need more, it creates up to 20% more space for you. So once you've got it all packed and ready to go, and you can't close it because maybe you have filled it up too much and you think you're going to have to sit on it, you don't. So check this out. All you have to do is unzip the extra room. Easy peasy. Check that out. 20% more room. Do you see that? All the room. Okay, so how about if let's pack this. And I'm just going to add a few more things, of course, and we can't forget these. Okay, so I also have packing cubes. Yes, does anyone else love a good packing cube? And this is a set of packing cubes, so check these out. So I have one, they're all different sizes. 1, 2, 3 shoes or laundry, right? This is perfection. And another one, 4 for a larger one. So I have 4 of these plus the extra bag all inside my packing cubes, plus you could use this one, right? So 5, all the packing cubes. Everything you need to keep you organized. So this 20-inch spinner that I'm filling up right now has the 360 spinner wheels, and it has 20% more room if you need to expand it. So don't worry. If you buy things when you're on your trip, you could fit them in this bag. Let's keep packing because this is going so well. I decided I'm going to use my packing cubes here for some of my shirts that I want to take with me. So the ones that I'll be wearing on my trip, right? So do you guys roll yours or do you pack them? I tend to roll mine just because I think when you roll them, then they tend to not wrinkle as much. So these packing cubes have compression zippers. So I was able to put a whole bunch of stuff in here, including my leather jacket that I want to make sure stays really nice as it's going to be traveling, right? Because I don't want that leather rubbing up against something black or something a different color. So these easily fit right inside your bag. I love the little compression zipper. That's amazing. Keeps everything all nice. and fits perfectly. I got everything in here perfectly. For my toiletries and my shoes, we're going to be using this bag, and I'm going to be set. Remember, you do have this little compartment right here for shoes. I actually have 2 pair right here that I'm going to throw right in here. And look how nice they fit. I use my packing cube, my little packing bag. And I have, like I said, 2 pair fits right inside there, nice and easy. Perfection. Then for the top here, we're going to include all of my toiletries, and we should be set to go. And don't worry, I have a discount code for you, which I will share in just a little bit. So if you want to up your travel game, this is the way to go. There's so much space in here that I could keep going, but I feel like you're all starting to get the picture. And I probably will add a few more things here before I call this quits, because I always add up until the very last moment until I hit the road. Don't forget, you also have this little zipper pocket up here at the top. Got my shoes in here, but I still have to remember to, I'm going to put a water bottle here. That's what I like to put whenever I'm traveling. And then the last part is to pack my laptop. Take that out. Perfectly. I could fit a few more papers, my notebook in there as well, which I might add, but I think we're pretty much ready to go. Check it out, ready to go. And this rolls so well on carpet as well as on smooth floors, right? So you can see how this will still turn really easily. So if you're at the airport or you're pulling it in your own home, this still moves really, really easily for you. Pops right over top of the handle, so you don't have to worry about this bag falling off. I'm ready to go. I'm packed and I'm set. Let's run through one more time the features of this bag, and I want to let you know the pricing and the discounts. Okay, so as I mentioned, I have a discount code for you. So if you would love to give BAGSMART a try, I believe you will be so happy. If you use the code LAURA25G, you will get 10% off site-wide. And they have bundles where you could get some of these bundled together. You could buy them independently. They have different color choices. There's so much optionality that you're gonna love their site. The packing cubes, which I think are amazing, come in many, many, many different colors as well. And BAGSMART is so much more than just what I've shared with you. So please do go out to their site and check it out. They have jewelry organizers, they have tech organizers, laptop bags, they have toiletry bags, lunch bags, a water bottle slings, all the things. Look for this little logo for BAGSMART and their little tagline here or there, now or never. You're gonna love these pieces. So the Getaway suitcase, which was the 20-inch that I shared with you, has the expandable design. Remember, it's going to add 20% more capacity when it's expanded. It has the wet-dry separation pockets, and it has that compression board so that it maximizes your packing efficiency. The packing cubes are absolutely amazing, right? Allows you to organize items as you pack them. So if you want to keep all your tops in one area, or you pack it even by outfits, or organize the smaller items versus the large, so socks, undies, all of that fun stuff, perfect for getting you organized in your packing. The Blast backpack has that top open design, which is perfect for all those things you need to get, especially when you're doing air travel and you want to just grab your medications, your passport, your chapstick, your phone, all that fun stuff you could put right up at the top. They have that separate shoe compartment. And you saw I fit 2 pair of shoes easily just right in that bottom part. Multiple interior pockets that are going to easily organize you as well. And then it has the suitcase support straps, so just strap it right over your handle so you don't have to worry about it falling off, which I can tell you that's a game changer. If you haven't gotten your bag that has that strap, it helps immensely, especially when you're dashing between flights, right? And you're really trying to get to that next gate. The pricing for these, so the 20-inch front open carry-on, which holds so much, $179.99 is the regular price. The Blast Pro travel backpack, $69.99. You'll never need another backpack to travel with ever again. And then the packing cubes, $49.99. So much to love here. And then don't forget my code Laura25G, 10% off everything. This was so much fun. So a huge thank you to BAGSMART for letting me showcase these bags. I love them so much. Like I said, I do so much travel that these are going to come in incredibly handy. So they're amazing to keep you moving quickly, efficiently, finding your stuff, packing quickly in case you need to do that. Just all the things. You're going to love it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. This was so much fun. I'm so happy to be able to share this with you. Let me know any packing tips that you have that I should be aware of. And I will catch you next time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. Bye-bye.